Building your Upwork work history is an important step towards becoming a successful freelancer. Clients want to see that you have experience and a track record of delivering quality work. However, as a junior developer, it can be difficult to understand how to get your first job on Upwork when you're competing against seasoned freelancers who all have 5-star reviews. One way to build your work history is by taking Amazon product or book review jobs. These jobs are often easier to land than other types of projects, and they can help you build your Upwork profile and gain valuable feedback from clients. So why should you consider Amazon product or review jobs as a way to build your work history? First, these jobs are often easier to land than other types of projects, especially if you're just starting out. Many clients are willing to take a chance on a new freelancer for these types of jobs because they require less technical expertise. Second, these jobs can help you build your profile and gain valuable feedback from clients. Reviews are an important part of your Upwork work history, and positive feedback can help you land future jobs and increase your rates. And finally, these jobs can also help you develop valuable skills such as attention to detail, clear communication, and meeting deadlines. These skills are important for any freelancer, regardless of the type of work that you do. Find relevant jobs. To find Amazon product or book review jobs, you can start by searching for relevant keywords on Upwork. You can also use filters to narrow down your search by job type, category, and budget. You want to look for jobs that are a good fit for your skills and experience. Submit strong proposals. When you find a job that you're interested in, take the time to read the job description and tailor your proposal accordingly. Explain why you're the best candidate for the job and highlight any relevant experience or skills that you have. Be sure to include samples of your previous work if you have them. Deliver quality work. Once you land a job, be sure to deliver quality work on time. Take the time to read the instructions carefully and ask any questions that you have before getting started. Be sure to communicate clearly with your client throughout the project and ask for feedback once the work is complete. Ask for reviews. Reviews are an important part of building your Upwork work history, so be sure to ask your clients to leave feedback once the project is complete. If you've done a good job, most clients will be happy to leave a positive review. This can really help you to build your profile and increase your chances of landing future jobs. You can learn more about this topic in my Tech Career newsletter. This newsletter will give you insight into multiple stages of your career so that you can form your career plan, overcome learning blockers, and stay competitive in today's crowded job market. You'll get featured content from authors and influencers in my network to help you navigate your career and learn new skills. Visit hoffstech.com/newsletter to subscribe and set yourself up for career success. What questions do you have about Upwork? Let me know in the comments, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.